Hi, I'm Sarah North, a community member of Chippewa Falls, as well as the CEO at Group Health Cooperative of Eau Claire. Group Health Cooperative of Eau Claire is a community-based health plan that was founded in the 70s with the purpose to optimize the health of its members by pooling its health-related resources. It's been easy to be friends with the Boys and Girls Clubs because they have the same mission to promote healthy lifestyles for children. We're very excited today to be here with our board of directors and giving this legacy gift of $500,000 to expand their Chippewa Falls Center.
It is part of the philosophy of the cooperative to support the kids and help out in any way we can, and this is a big project. They're going to redo this building and make it something special for them.
It's really amazing to have the support of the community and from Group Health. Just such an awesome investment in what we're doing here, which I believe in a lot, and so it's really great when other people can come alongside and show that they believe in what we're doing here as well. We are going to be redoing the kitchen, which will allow us to serve meals for all the kiddos here. So we do dinner every night for after school, and then during the summers we have breakfast and lunch as well. Not only are they learning healthy lifestyles for themselves, but they're also learning how their healthy lifestyles impact those around them and how to teach those around them to be healthy as well.
We know this money will provide nutrition programming and services for decades to come. Congratulations to the Boys and Girls Club and to Chippewa Falls.